In this coin video, I am going to go over with you a rotation error. A rotation error occurs when a die is not in proper position. The die has been turned or moved a certain amount of degrees clockwise or counterclockwise, and when it strikes the coin, the image is facing an incorrect direction. This is a very interesting error which can be detected by simply flipping a coin. Now that we know what to look for, let's see a nice example of a rotation error. One of the first things to do when determining whether or not your coin has a rotation error is to first find out whether or not your coin has a coin orientation or a metal orientation. A coin orientation means that you flip the coin vertically, or up or down, so that the image on the opposite side appears face up. A coin with metal orientation means that you flip it horizontally, or left or right, for the image on the opposite side to appear face up. As you can see, I have a 1997p US half dollar and a 2010 Canadian 5 cents coin. I will flip both of these coins to show you the differences between coin flip and metal flip. First, I am going to flip the Kennedy half dollar. This coin has a coin orientation, so it is meant to be flipped vertically up or down for the opposite side to appear face up. So when I flip it up or down, you can see that the eagle is facing right side up. Now, if I flip it left or right, you see that the eagle is actually upside down. Now moving on to the Canadian 5 cents coin, it is meant to be flipped the opposite way. It's meant to be flipped horizontally. So, you see it's right side up, and I flip it right. It's also right side up. And if I flip it left, it's also right side up. However, if I flip it up or down, you see it's upside down. I'm going to go to the error coin and show you the rotation error on that coin. Here is the 1997p Kennedy half dollar with the rotation error. When I flip this coin vertically, the eagle on the opposite side of the coin should have its head pointing north. As you can see, when I flip the coin the correct way, the eagle's head is pointing southeast. This is a rotation error. Now, it is important that I flip this coin the proper way, otherwise I would mislabel the error. As I'll show you now, if I flipped it left or right, there is still a rotation error, but now the eagle's head is pointing northwest. We would mistakenly label this as a counterclockwise rotation error, when correctly it is a clockwise rotation error, because this coin is meant to be flipped vertically. Now I'll get a protractor and a piece of string and show you how I determine how many degrees clockwise this rotation error is. Okay, what I've done now is put the protractor on top of the coin. The center mark of the protractor is at the center of the coin as well. I have also made sure that the protractor is vertically straight, not tilted one way or the other. The 0 degree mark is at the top of the coin where the eagle's head should normally be pointing. What I'm going to determine is how many degrees clockwise or to the right that the eagle's head is now pointing. What I'm going to do is take a string and line it up with the center mark of the protractor, and in a straight line from where the eagle's head is pointing, go to the other end of the protractor. As you can see, it lines up on the 130 number. We're using the bottom number because our 0 number was on the bottom, and this would mean that it's 130 degrees clockwise rotation error. I hope you've enjoyed this coin video, and I hope that next time you flip a coin, you'll take a second look at it. Like and subscribe if you want to learn about even more things that can make a normal coin a treasure. Until then, happy treasure hunting, and God bless.